Hey, over here. Over here behind him. Dang, turn around. Oh,
what do you see? What do you see?
Right across from us.
Straight across. Hold on. Where? Across. Right behind that board. Good. Board across. Oh, right there, right there.
Right here, right this from our 12. Mind your head. Yeah, don't let him come across this on this left side of that shaft.
Right side of the green building behind the tires.
Okay, I see this. Hey. Oh my God.
Going left. Going to the building. Go to the left, okay? Okay.
Dude.
Right there.
One of y'all move up.
Now, drop. Go ahead. Behind the tree.
Drive. Move up. You down?
Front.
You got nothing? You getting hit or what? Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, do you see it? Hey, give some cover fire. Three. I got you. Ready? Where are you moving up? Go. Oh! Got him. He's down. He's down right here in front of you. Got him. Good shot, boss. All right. Behind the blue barrel. Behind that blue barrel. Where we were just shooting at, behind the blue barrel. Good job. I'm moving up. Let's go. Moving up. Catch rope. Some cover, right? Hey, watch those windows. Anything? Alright.
The other room, I don't know where it's at, but this room is good.
Alright.
Go back to Recon.
You moving, Rick?
Rick, where'd you go?
You moving?
Right here. Yeah, I'm trying to test what we got.
Alright. Hey!
Hey, the guard shack on the right.
Okay.
There's someone behind that guard shack, and then the dead trees to the right. So that's where it's, when we start crossing over.
We're gonna start moving that way, okay.
We should slowly keep bounding across, guys.
Hey, is it clear to move to that fence? Can I move through there?
Yeah, you're good. Move to the fence, move to the fence. Go, 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 go. Watch your right, watch your right. That way, that way. Start pushing down. Start pushing down. Hey, right there in the building, right in front of us.
Don't move the fence. Don't move the fence.
Watch it with the hook.
Call it! Got him, got him. Hey, one right here in this building, right here in front of us. Dude, I'm getting kill after kill right now. I'm out. Shoot right here, shoot right here. Right across from us. What y'all want to do? Y'all want to go to the center? Y'all want to go through this way?
I think
this way would be the best way.
Yeah.
Right, shield.
Right, yeah. Go ahead, looking at it. I'm thinking,
Cover them as they get through the hole. Cover them. Cover fire now, 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 now. Go. Go, go, go.
Oh,
We going through here?
dude, it's too small.
I can go.
Oh, I know you can. You don't have nothing on your back. Get through and get through and get to this first building.
Hit.
And get through this first building.
Medic.
y'all coming around the right side?
I mean, we might come in through here too. Y'all just get out of the line of fire. Just walk back, bro. Man, tragedy of being short.
Building to building, and it's bound. So somehow we gotta end up like feeding through there.
In that window.
And the people, hey, but the people go there, they could put the gas station.
I was getting kill after kill right here, Blocker. That hole, I was getting a ton of kills. Have anybody made it in yet through here? Yeah, these babies are coming through the fence. Here, I'm across. Hey, give me some cover fire, I'm across.
What's the big here?
Okay. Alright, ready, go. Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go, come on, hey! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, let's go. Come on. Ready? Let's go.
Where are you going?
Just find a building. Good. I got this window. Hey, right in the doorway. There's two of them, yeah.
Open door, and this thing just hit.
Oh, really? Yeah, dude, you had your back just like that. Did it hit right here?
Just right there.
That's it.
All right, buddy?
That's right. Hey guys, I need to spread out. Alright.
Where are we at?
We got all of our guys over here, dude. Hey guys, respawn just right there. Right around the tent, on the green, on the other side of the green building. Right here. You can? Nope. I'm above you, Blocker. We got anybody in the windows? Who we taking fire from over here?
Take the window right there.
Come here. You see that?
Over
there, way far over.
Yeah, one BB just went straight underneath my arm.
Way far
Watch
over.
the right!
Get 100 yards.
Where?
100 yards straight ahead. You see them moving up? Down the fence on your right.
You see them?
Oh yeah.
Hey!
There's a squad.
Hey! Hey!
13.
Hey! Contact right! Contact right! 100 feet! They're in the junk pile!
Shit. We gotta move up, man.
We gotta push into that.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Go right along that
Our
tree
best
line
bet.
over there.
You wanna go get them?
Along that tree line.
Yeah, 'cause all the action here is done.
Yeah, there's too many people here.
Get him his legs! Get his legs! His legs!
Get down!
He got him. That was badass. We got one guy in.
Part of me wants to toss my grenade right through there.
Do it.
See that hole?
Get up there, drop it in. Get in there and drop it.
Oh, we his legs. Oh shit, that was funny.
It looked like a bird.
Yeah. He flinched like 3 times.
You wanna go in?
We can try it now.
Let's go.
Watch out, watch. Hey! Hey!
Hey! You!
Are those
They're right under you!
I don't think those, I think those are our guys, Lucky. It might be now. Let's go, let's move up. Let's move up.
Go, 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 go! Move, move, move! Watch your right! Watch your right!
Yeah.
Watch the door!
You get him? Let's go, ready? Let's go in. Let's go. Hey, he's right there in the corner. Hey, he's right, yeah, right there. Hey, corner. We're good. That's somebody right there. There's one right there. Hey, hey, look. Through this window, he's going to be right there when you fire. Get him? He hasn't been calling it. I've been shooting his ass. Good job, good job. You did? Hey, he's down, he's down. Right there in the corner, he's down. Hey, we can only get in here with pistols, right? I don't think you can fire a rifle. Yeah, you can't fire a rifle. I just didn't want you to get in trouble.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, I'm like down to like 6 shots. Let's go. Come on. Let's go around. Hey, I don't think you could. Well, I guess you could shoot.
No, I guess you did. There's one guy.
To the left here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go cover me.
The right side of it.
Oh, you gotta walk, dude. Just walk. There's no medic. Or bleed out time. Just walk.
I was told everybody was a medic.
No, not the second game. Yeah, they changed the rules the second game. The respawn is over there by that green building.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Thanks, though.
Yeah, no problem, dude. If you're gonna shoot that way, shoot left-handed. Watch out! Move! Move! Hey, move, dude, move! Oh, he's right there. Every time I want to shoot, he's right there.
I don't know how to room clear, right?
Get down, get down, get down.
Excellent is down.
trying to tell this kid right here to move because he's in my way. Yeah, he's on our team.
Should be going to respawn.
Hey! Dozer! Move! Oh, that was sick! Dude, I shot him straight in the goggles, dude. Dozer! Dozer! Move over for me. Hey! Scoot over! Scoot over! Okay. You're good, you're good. Oh, in the silo. Look, in the silo across the hall. Across. Okay. Hey, y'all give him cover. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job. Oh, you can't see, dude. You can't even see him in there. It's so dark. It's so dark you can't see him. Hey guys. Over from this right side? Oh, you mean all the way around? Behind? Like this way?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That we get an angle on it.
You tan?
I don't know. It's semi-ability, right? Yeah, semi.
I'm sorry. Look at all these green people just walking, dude.
Hell yeah. Hey. Look out,
That's us, guys. That's us.
That's us?
Yeah. We got it this time. I think we're good in here, dude. We got this set on board. I think we're good in here. I think we're safe.
See y'all later.
Nah. Nobody is, and they're all using their. I know, dude. Hey, Casper. Did we get everybody? Alright, good. Let's get out of here, dude. Hey, let's get out of here.
I'm gonna try and jump off the left, right?
Hey, let's go. Team out for Recon. We'll get this part. Is it on the other side? Dude, yeah, because this thing is super, like, too many people in there.